When you create or upload a document or spreadsheet, you can collaborate with one or more users and co-author these documents with them. With only Office Editor, one or more users can simultaneously make changes to the single document. To do this, after initial document is ready, go to Edit and choose users who can edit the document with you. You can also choose these users while you are adding or uploading the document. These documents or spreadsheet will be available on user's dashboard for co-authoring as long as document or spreadsheet is in draft mode. Once the document status is published, issued, or anything else than draft, it will not be visible on the dashboard. User can click on Collaborate button on the dashboard. This will open a new page with the document or spreadsheet. While in co-authoring mode, users can see all the editors logged in and editing the document at the right-hand top corner of the editors panel. Users can also use applications live chat during the editing session by clicking Chat menu under Editor's Collaboration menu. Once the document is ready, users can submit the form. A new version of the document will be available. System will automatically store the older version of the document and the version numbers will be available at the bottom of the panel. User can click on the version number to see the older versions. Note, document revision number will remain same. To change the revision number, users must follow change request process. We will discuss change request process in a separate video.